Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Adam Fifin and my metric number is A24CS0270, and for this lab 3 I am student number 1, and for my part I have to do part 1C program 1. So I will be explaining what program 1 wants me to do first. So first, in this program I need to get two values from the keyboard and save into variable name side hex 1 for the first hexagon and side hex 2 for the second hexagon. Then I will need to calculate both of the parameter by using loop and add instruction. Then I will need to save the first result into parameter hexagon 1 and the second result in parameter hexagon 2. Then I need to add those two parameter and save into total parameter, and lastly I need to display the output. Okay, so this is the program that I have written. So first, of course, I need to include the library, which is the Irvine32 library, and in the .data segment, I have declared this from 1 is the enter the side length of hexagon 1. This will appear and I will need to input the number for the hexagon 1 and hexagon 2. Then result 1, this will also display so that it will show what is the parameter of hexagon 1 and hexagon 2, and then result total is for the total parameter. Then side hex 1, which is what I need to save, and then parameter hexagon 1 that I will need to calculate, and the total parameter is the summation of the two parameter. And in the dot code segment, main prop, then I call clear screen so that I have to clear the console window for a clean start. Then here I put a comment so that I will know easier what I have written this for, and this is for the input of hexagon 1. So first, move EDX offset from 1. So I load from 1 into EDX using move EDX offset from 1. Then I use call write string to display the message, which is here, enter the side length of hexagon 1. And then I use call read deck to get a 32-bit unsigned number from the user, which is what I need to input. Then the result of the read deck is stored in the EAX register, so I save it. Okay, so the result of read deck, it will be stored in the EAX, so that's why I do move side hex 1 EAX so that I can transfer the value of EAX into side hex 1. Same goes for the hexagon 2. I repeated the same. So I firstly move the prom2 into the EDX. Then I call write string to call this prom2, which is enter the side length of hexagon 2. Then call read deck so that I can get the 32 unsigned bit number. Then of course the read deck will be stored in the EAX, so I will put the value of EAX into side hex by doing this instruction, move side hex 2 into EAX. So then this is what I've done for the calculation of parameter 1. So as we know, a hexagon has 6 sides, so I move 6 into the ECX. ECX will be the loop counter. Then I reset the EAX to 0 by doing move EAX 0, because we want to accumulate the sum inside of it. Then I move side hex 1 into EBX, so each loop can add this value on and on. Then okay, here starts the loop, so I will add EBX into EAX, and then I will loop it. This is because, okay, for example, if I entered let's say here read deck, I entered 5. Okay, it will then go into the register EAX, which then will be moved in the side hex 1 because of this instruction. Okay, but because we have done this as well, this instruction as well, set hex 1 into EBX. This is why this means the value that I have just put just now, that I have inputted just now, which is 5 into EBX. So when we do the looping, add EAX into EBX, so we have declared here EAX is 0, so it will loop 6 times. So 0 plus 5 will get 5. Then 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 10, 15, and so on until the loop is completed. Then I am needed to move the value of the loop into parameter hexagon 1. So how to do that? I just do the instruction move parameter hexagon 1 EAX. So the value of EAX will be moved into this parameter hexagon 1. Same goes for the parameter 2. So first I need to move 6 into ECX because that's the loop counter, and then I need to move 0 into EAX to reset it, and then I move side hex 2 into EBX. So then it will be same as the parameter 1. It will loop until the loop counter is finished, and then I will move the value into parameter hexagon 2. Then okay, this is the instruction for adding both of the parameter. So first I need to move parameter hexagon 1 into EAX first, then I add parameter hexagon 2 into EAX, which is now the parameter hexagon 1. Then I move the value, the total parameter, into total parameter here. Okay, so this is for the display of parameter 1. So at first I call CRLF to create spacing between each line. Then I will move offset result 1 into EDX, okay, which is this. Result 1 is parameter of hexagon 1, which is what I want to display. So how do I display that? I display it by doing the call write string instruction. Okay, then I will need to load the result, which is parameter hexagon 1, into EAX and use call write that to display the result. That same goes for display parameter 2. So I call CRLF to create spacing. Then I will move result 2 into EDX, and then result 2 is parameter of hexagon 2, and I will how to display it. I will use the call write string instruction. Then I will need to load and move the result of parameter hexagon 2 into EAX and use call write that to show the result. Then lastly, to display the total parameter, just the same as display parameter 1, parameter 2. I call CRLF to create spacing. Then I will move result total into EDX. Okay, this is what result total is, total parameter of both hexagon. So that is what I want to display. And how do I display that? By using the instruction call write string. Then I here. Okay, then I will move the result, which is total parameter, into AX and use call write that to call the result, which is the total parameter. Okay, so here is how the program will work. Okay, let's say I enter the number 5 just now. Okay, and then for hexagon 2 is 6, and then here it will display parameter of hexagon 1 is 30, parameter hexagon 2 is 36, and the total parameter of both hexagon is 66. And this is correct because okay, a hexagon has 6 sides, and for hexagon 1 I inputted 5. So if I add 5 6 times, I will get 30, and if I add 6 times, I will get 36, and then 30 plus 36 is 66 here. So the program is successful. And that is all for the program 1 for part 1C, and thank you.